This one drove me nuts for a solid hour. How to change your server in Bloodstrike in 2024. You'd think it would just be right there in the settings under server or region, but it's not. It's buried. First, let's talk about why you might even want to change servers. The most common reason? Lag. You get those 150 millisecond ping spikes in every firefight. Suddenly you're rubber banding around the map like you're in a game from 2007. Another huge reason? Matchmaking. If you play during off-peak hours and you're stuck on a regional server, you're going to suffer long matchmaking queues or get thrown into sweaty lobbies filled with tryhards from top clans. Okay, so here's the step-by-step. Step 1. Launch Bloodstrike and head straight to the main menu. Not the in-game screen. You have to be completely out of a match or lobby to do this. Now, step 2. Look up at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click that. This takes you to your player info page. It's where your level, rank, and ID live. Here's where people usually miss it. Step 3 is to tap the Settings button, which is next to your account info. Not the big Settings gear on the main home screen. That one won't show server settings at all. Once inside this specific settings menu, look for the Server or Region tab, usually second or third down. It won't say Change Server directly. It'll have your current region listed, sometimes with a little pencil or edit icon beside it. Here's step 4. Tap that region and you'll get a pop-up with a list of available servers, like North America East, West, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, etc. Choose whichever one gives you the lowest ping. Pro tip: sometimes the game lies about ping. I literally switched from NA West to EU out of frustration and magically saw smoother matches. The ping said 200 milliseconds, but it played like 30. So test things. Important note: changing servers will reset your rank progress for that region. Your skins, purchases, and unlocks do carry with you, but it may feel like starting from scratch if you're a highly ranked player. A lot of people ask if VPNs let you bypass regional locks. Technically, yes, but Bloodstrike's anti-cheat can be sensitive. It's not illegal, but you might get temporary matchmaking bans if your IP jumps countries mid-session. If you don't see the server change option, it could be because you're on a guest account. That's another trap. You need to bind your account to Google, Apple, or Facebook to unlock full server switching access. And if all else fails, reinstall the game. When you reinstall, on first launch, it often asks you to pick a region again. That's the nuclear option, but I've seen it fix the problem entirely for people stuck in the wrong region.